we will guide you through how to save Tableau project. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start from the computer desktop and prepare to open Tableau Public. Double-click the Tableau Public icon to launch the application, then wait briefly for the main interface to finish loading. Once Tableau Public is ready, select Microsoft Excel from the available connection options so you can choose the workbook containing your data. Look through the desktop folder in the File selection window and locate the Excel file you want to use for this project. Select the file once to highlight it, then press the Open button at the bottom right of the window. Wait while Tableau Public loads the selected Excel data into the workbook and prepares the data source. When the data appears, drag the sheet into the blank page so the worksheet can use the imported data. Move to the bottom of the Tableau window and select Sheet 1 to open the worksheet where you will build the chart. From the data panel on the left side, drag the state/province field to the column shelf at the top of the worksheet. Return to the data panel and locate the sales field. Then drag sales to the rows shelf beside the worksheet. Once the chart is displayed, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Tableau window and click the File menu to open the available file options. Look through the drop-down menu and select Save as to open the saving window. Check the location shown at the top of the window and make sure the file is being saved to the desktop. After confirming the location, move your cursor to the Save button at the bottom right of the Save As window. Press the Save button once to save the Tableau workbook. Wait for the Save As window to close, then return to the Tableau worksheet and view the completed chart. Keep the saved workbook visible in the Tableau window.